Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into some of the achievements on the CVEX Testnet decentralized exchange. I know that this has been quite fun for a lot of people and challenging. I got my brother and some friends on it as well, and this is a great testnet experience so far. You got these achievements that allow you to, it gives a sort of gamifying aspect to your testnet experience and making trades on this platform, navigating through everything, testing all the features. This is a amazing way to roll out a testnet. So before we actually dive into some of these achievements that I've gotten so far, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. And if you ever need any help with the quests or campaigns or any of these testnet challenges, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. Get in there, connect with me and other people in the community, and we will help you grow in the space along with us. So thank you all for being in there and being active. But yeah, the CVEX testnet, let's get into it. So along with the help of my brother, been sharing some good stuff some of the achievements he's gotten. So we're gonna go through each one of these. Start with the first one. So first trade triumph. This is, let's see. Okay, let's see what we got. So we got first trade triumph, complete one futures trade, which you just come here and place an order. You can just place a market order that immediately executes your order, whatever amount you want, value, and click buy. All right, this will be your first trade, done. Request sent. And sometimes you'll have to wait a few minutes and refresh this page for it to work, but it will. So limit order lineage, submit 25 limit orders. And also market order Maverick, submit 25 market orders. So just, you want to do this 24 more times. It doesn't have to be with this exact contract. You can go over here to the left and see all the contracts. You can click one and say, I want to market buy this. And do that 25 times. Now the thing is, here's a little trick. Go through each one of these. Place a market order for each one. So this one, if it says 0, you can't trade it. So go to ones with the price. I'll do a market order, buy, and there, that's number 3. So just do this for all of these. And also, don't forget to go up here and change your network, because this is also important. So make sure, place like 6 orders or 7 orders on each network. That way you get the 25, but you're also trading on each one of these test nets. So this, so let's go to Sepalia, testnet. So there, and do the same with the limit orders. So 25 market orders, and then you want to do your limit orders. So you can click on the prices in here, and it'll show whatever price you want it to execute. Now these orders don't have to execute, you just have to submit them. So I'm gonna just place a buy for way down here. And I'm just gonna, don't worry about all this, reduce only, post only, time enforce, just place buy. We're gonna do this for 25 different orders. And there's one, go here, you know, click one of these prices and click buy. You don't have to click in here, but if you just want to hit the last price and set your limit order there. But there you go. Do that 25 times and you'll get the limit order and the market. And when you have your limit orders, you can go ahead and start canceling those. But you have to do 25 order cancellations. So if you go to your open orders, I know my, let me see if I can shrink this site down a little bit. Nope. That's okay. Let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller for you. I'm gonna shrink, hey! Or actually, I'll move this, I'll move up here. Whee! Okay, now you can get a better view of this right here. So, or sorry, I was looking at, I had my thing on the screen record. So you got your positions right here, trade history, go to open orders, and you can see all these. Just start canceling. Start canceling until you get your 25 cancellations. Okay, and then perform 50 operations. Basically, you'll get that by making all these trades. Demo dollar dynamo, that is where you go here and increase your balance 10 times and decrease it 10 times as well. So increase and decrease, but it's go up to like 2 million because you're gonna need a lot of liquidity, because what we're gonna do is get the OG traders. So we're gonna get this this legendary one, and it'll take some time because you have to lose over $1 million on here for it to work. So you want at least like 1.5 in liquidity, right? And what we're gonna do is find one of these contracts that has a big spread, because when you buy it and sell it, the price is gonna be so far away from each other. Let's see, let's go to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin. We'll do a market buy, we'll do 200. No, we'll go sell. Interesting. So now I have, oh, 1 Bitcoin. I want 100 Bitcoin. Give me the Bitcoin I want. There you go. So as you can see, I'm already open negative $500,000. So we'll go ahead and do another 100 Bitcoin and place a sell, because you want it to be at 1 million. So the order was not submitted. Let's check it out. Will we get more? No, it looks like we need to increase our balance. So just, yeah, this one's kind of tricky, because you have to have enough liquidity or margin available to get enough Bitcoin I guess we can't do the 100 Bitcoin, so we'll do another 50. We'll do a 50. And make sure that it, even though it says order sent, it didn't show up or reflect in here. So I don't know what is going on with that. That seems to be a bug. Certain orders, it should just say, you know, canceled. It shouldn't say order confirmed if the order does not give you more Bitcoin to your order. Yeah, and you can see I'm having to increase my balance a bit. So what I suggest is getting 2 million in funds right there, and that way you can really take advantage of this. So let's see. All right, now we go another 50. This one took me a little while to really nail down because the orders wouldn't go through. It says it go through, but then down here you didn't see it add anything to my order. So yep, I need to increase my allowance again. I'm so close to 1 million. So close. Okay, another 25, let's see. And don't worry about making profits on here because this isn't, it's not designed for you to make profits now. See, there you go. Negative 1.3. And then we're just gonna market close this. And yeah, it's not really for making a profit. This is just for creating, well, testing out the exchange. And where are my positions? Okay, while we wait for that to load. So MetaMover, submit 5 meta transactions. You'll get that just by completing these orders, different orders. Contract curator, you will go through and place an order or click on and view every one of these. So there. And once you go through all that, you'll be able to do the contract curator. Widget warrior, you want to go up here to the settings and then start clicking a bunch of stuff and then click back to default layout. So I need to log back in here because this is giving me some issues. I'm not seeing my orders. Okay, I'll need to close out of that again. So part-time PO, navigate to suggest feature website. What's new? Suggest feature. So down here, click those. Report a bug. Also, you want to put your name, email, and any kind of bugs that you found. Oh wow, did this just like totally restart on me? I wonder if they actually reset the system, because this is weird because I'm not getting anything on here. Triple threat, make 3 increases to your balance within a day. So that's, you know, do an increase, make a trade, do another increase, make a trade, and then do another increase. Fast reader, mark all notifications as read. If you go up here to your little notifications, click mark all as read. There you go. You got that. Now, for the rare ones that I've gotten so far. So reject a transaction in your wallet. So we'll go I'm gonna need to, this is weird. This is not, I wonder if the website's having some funky issues going on. Okay, there we go. We back in the game. We back in the game. So, where were we at? Okay, reject a transaction. So we're gonna place a buy and go here and just cancel. You canceled that order, there you go. Arbitrum Ace. Complete 25 trades on Arbitrum Sepalia. And what else? Okay, so I think all of these, each one, so come into Arbitrum and make trades on here, do some market buys, and do 25 trades on the Sepalia, Arbitrum Sepalia testnet. Navigate and trade all available contracts. That's the, wait. Yeah, okay, so the first one is contract curator, and that's review all contracts. And then the next one is to trade all the contracts. So go in here and, except for the ones you obviously can't trade because there's no price, but all the ones available, go in there and trade those. Then the bug hunter, identify a bug, come down here, report a bug and send that off. Menu magician, open every link in hamburger menu in one session. So what I did is I just shut everything off, or not shut everything off, but so layout mode. What I did is I just came in here and like move stuff around, because you can play around with different features, and I would just come in here and close all of these. Just close everything you can. Yep. You can't move that around. And then you come back over here to settings and you click back to default layout. Also, there's one for a Spanish, so click each one of these and you'll get one for Español, which is, where's it at? Oh, yeah, right here. I did this on my other one, just not here. So money waster, decrease your balance 10 times. Also the hablas español. And okay, next up, we got the chain connector, trade on each supported chain. So that's trading on Ethereum, Sepalia, Arbitrum, Base, and Optimism networks. No, this is all testnet. Just keep that in mind. Immediate impact, submit 10 immediate or cancel orders. So these will be limit orders. So what you do, go to a contract, set a limit price, how much you want, and then go here to where it says GTC or TIF, and then immediate or cancel. And you want to do that 10 times, right? Yeah. So you can place a buy or a sell, and I want to buy at this limit order, immediate or cancel. So you submit that order 10 times, and there you go. And then Evergreen Enthusiast, submit 25 good till cancel orders. So I'm gonna go to a different contract, pick a different strike or limit price, and good till cancel, GTC. And do that 25 times. You can actually do that with your other limit orders. and submit 5 fill or kill orders. So this right here, fill or kill, will fill it or kill it in a certain time frame. Do that 5 times with different orders, or with different contracts, sorry. And also don't forget to be switching your networks. Do a couple on each one, you know, just start getting your on-chain activity going across. So post-only Prodigy. So use post-only orders exclusively for a day, and you have to do at least 5. So this one was kind of tricky. Take one day that you come in here and you say, okay, I'm gonna do a good till canceled, but you want it to be a post-only. So post-only order ensures your order is added to the order book and not immediately executed against existing orders. This guarantees you pay the maker fee, avoiding taker fees and enhancing liquidity. So post-only, and we'll do that 5 times, but you only want to do this on a day that you don't make any other trades. So you can only get this by only using post-only orders for that day. So yesterday, all I did was place 5 or 6 of these. I went to 6 different contracts and did post-only and buy or sell. But you can only do that order for that one day, and it has to be at least 5 orders. So do that on a separate day where you're not making a bunch of orders. So reduce only reagent, successfully submit 10 reduce only orders, and that is, you know, just come reduce only, buy, and bada boom. And then do that 10 times and you will get that. Epic achievements. Oh, there's a couple more that I will share. Let's see. Okay. So I have the ARB Bull, open long position for 50,000 Arbitrum, open a long position for 500 AVAX, open a position for 500 Link, and open a position for 500,000 TRX. So we'll go to the ARB Bull, go ahead and cancel out of these. See, where's my Arbitrums? All the way at the bottom. So Arbitrum, what does it say, 50,000? Yeah. So we'll go to market. I'm gonna close out of this big ass Bitcoin trade. Yeah, it looks like it's a little slow, but that's okay. It's not taken. But it's all right. We'll go in here to ARB. We'll just do 55. And we're gonna place a buy order. And then we'll come to AVAX. AVAX. Gotta buy 500. And then Link, the same thing. It doesn't matter which contract it is, just make sure you're buying the ticker, the link, or this AVAX you could do as long as it's that token name and 500,000 TRX. So TRX, I'll do 55 or 550. So 550K in size. And then we can refresh this and see. I guess we need to wait a little bit longer. What's next? Fast reader. Oh, TikTok Tactician. So this one, I got it on my other account. So what you need to do is you submit an order. So let's go to limit. Okay, submit an order. With each option. So each one of these you have to do 10 times. So TikTok Tactician. You do 10 good till cancel orders, 10 fill or kill orders, and 10 immediate or cancel orders. So like the ones to get those achievements earlier, just do that until you have 10 orders for each one of these. And use different contracts, switch to different networks, and make sure you're not doing all the orders on one network and on one contract. So let's see. So lined up. Navigate to the contract using price line widget. So that's this, the price line. You see I just got this. So click that and then it navigates there. That's cool. Got the lined up. Let's see what else. OG Trader. Okay, Polkadot Powerhouse is another one where you want 500 DOT tokens. I'm gonna do this. So 500 DOT tokens. That'll give you the Polkadot Powerhouse. And let's see what else. Vitalix Fan. Where's it at? Vitalix Fan. Open long position for 1 ETH size or more. So ETH, where are you at? We'll go to that contract. Open a long for 1 ETH or more. There you go. What else? Are we gonna close this trade, man? Oh, and Cardano Bear Cave. Okay, so we'll close out of some of these other ones. Cardano Bear Cave is opening a short position for 50,000. So open a short position for 50,000. Okay, so those are Cardano for 50,000 ADA, not. I'm gonna do 55,000. Oh, or open a short order. My fault. Open that short. There you go. Make sure you do the 50,000 right here. Place your sells, and we're gonna close some of these out. Interesting. We can close some of these, but we can't close the Bitcoin one. I wonder why. I wonder if we won't have enough to close it. It's just gonna liquidate us all. Okay, now let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. If we got any more. There you go, polka dot powerhouse. Still waiting on some of these other ones. So yeah, that's really all I have for the moment. I know there's been some other posts. Yeah, that's really all that I have completed right now. So once I get some more on here, I'll make another follow-up video. But I hope that this has helped. Yeah, make sure you come in and start market closing things. I wonder if some of my orders didn't get filled earlier. That's why I don't have the achievements for that. But either way, let me know if you do need help, a little more help with navigating this. Get in the Discord. I can help you a lot faster than I can on YouTube. So with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.